Ambitious Babes. This is my first YouTube video. I have been doing YouTube for a while, like when I was younger, but I didn't really like those videos, so I'm taking this time to like restart, refresh everything, and basically just introduce myself to you guys and show you what I'm gonna be presenting to you guys. So this page is basically fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I'll be showing all my talents and even doing some vlogs of things I do on a regular basis, and like maybe story times as well, get ready with me's, reviews, all that kind of stuff. So I'm taking this time of basically introducing myself and saying who I am and what I am here to do for you guys. So I am in my senior year of high school, and I think this is like a really good time for me to start, just because I'll be able to do more things outside and be able to record all of that for you guys. And so I am a hairstylist, a hair braider, anything you want to call that. I do hair at home, so I'll be posting videos because I've never gotten like the chance to make videos or anything. I also am a model, and I'll be posting like my Instagram page like right here somewhere. And what else? And I design clothes. That's all other thing that I wanted to say. I design clothes, so if I don't have that much time, that's what I'll be doing. Honestly, I take a fashion class, so that does take most of my time, but I'll be trying to get content out of that as well. And also thrifting, what's it called, and just showing the process of me sewing my clothes that I make, and even probably selling them or making patterns and doing all that. I also know how to crochet, so I'll be doing that as well. So other things are, yeah, I have a very busy schedule, and with beauty I do my own makeup and have done others in the past, so I'll be trying to get content out of that, my like daily routines, get ready with me, outfit choices. That's what I'll be doing as well. There's like a lot of things that I'll be honestly doing, and I just want to say thank you for anyone who's watching and starting this journey with me, because it's also more newer to me, and I just want to say thank you for watching again. Yeah, I think that's about it. My next video will probably be on a routine or something. I'll also be having outfit inspos because I'm really good at styling things, and I wanted to put it out there, so I'll probably be making a Pinterest page so I can put my outfit inspos on there, and just taking pictures so you can get, inspired by my fashion. Yeah, and I think that's all for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned and just comment what you guys want to see down below.